Alright, so today's gonna be an extremely chill video. You guys, if you order from ColourPop at all, you know those little, like, inspirational complimentary cards that they send with all their orders? Some are the same, but most of them tend to be different. Well, I'm gonna take this little picture book and I'm gonna be just putting them in. I've been cleaning my room a bunch lately and I want a place to put everything, and this seemed like the perfect place to put it, and I'm literally just going to be putting them on with washi tape in different directions, in different aspects. You'll end up seeing it, but essentially this video is just a very chill video that I'm gonna be playing music through a lot of it. Enjoy!